Rev up your engines! Welcome to Mechanic Monday, where normally I show you how you can fix your own car. But today I'm going to show you how your car can fix you. Now, years of bending over, working on cars, my back got sore. There's no arguing that. And let's face it, I'm not going to be Rodney Yee. My wife, who does like 2 hours of yoga every morning, hey, she says, oh, look at me, I'm flexible, you should do some yoga. Well, there's a fat chance of that happening in the near future. It's called the back shield. Now you can see the back, super hard plastic, and it's curved the way your spine's supposed to be curved. Nobody's paying me to talk about this stuff. Feel free to send me all the products you want. You get one guarantee that I test them out honestly. If I like them and I feel they work, I'll talk about them after I test them a while. If I don't, well, I got a lot of companies mad at me recently because I've gotten some pretty junky stuff. And I told them, I said, I'm not going to talk about that stuff. It isn't any good. Now, these guys at Back Shield, they sent me a couple of these things. I called them up, asked them some questions. Hey, makes sense. It's curved like your back. It was designed by doctors. It's a solid thing. You could probably, if you're a little kid, use it as a sled in the winter sliding down the hills. Who knows? But hey, I'm 65 and yeah, sometimes my back gets sore when I work too much. Or I'm doing my live car talk. There's the phone that broadcasts it. There's the high definition camera that records it. Now spending all that time sitting in the seat, when I got up, my back usually killed me, but check it out. I want to try this thing out to see if it actually makes my back better. So I tried it out for months. So I was impressed by it. Now, you can see it's portable as can be. You can take it wherever you want. I put it in my Celica. Now, the Celica seat wasn't that bad to begin with. When I put this in with that curved support for my back, I found that, say, taking a 3.5 hour trip to San Antonio was nothing. It used to be that my back would get a little sore, my neck might get a little bit achy from driving. But with this thing, no. Now, as I said, I tried it out first in my chair in my office, and then I tried it out in the car. And I found that after a month or two of using it, the little bits of pain that I had before were completely gone. So I have to say, I'm happy. Hey, my back pain went away. They're like $89 when I checked them out on Amazon. If I would have known years ago that something like this was out there, and for 89 bucks, fix my back, I would have bought quite a few of them, put them in all my vehicles, and all the chairs I spend time on. Because I like it that my back isn't sore. I like helping people out with good products, and I'm sure those guys like making a lot of money selling these things. Especially when it's something that works as good as this. Good solid construction. I mean, I've only had them for a few months, but I'm sure this stuff will last for years. Simple construction, just like seat belts. Just goes behind the seat, snaps on, and it's adjustable, just like a motorcycle helmet. I've been on the serious ones, injured in a hockey game where they put you on one of these boards and strap you in so you don't damage anything. Well, this is the same kind of idea, only you're sitting on top of it all the time, keeps your back in the right position, and even if not exercising, not eating right, whatever, this will actually help form it back in place again when you're sitting on this thing for hours. I mean, really, who would have thought sitting could actually help your back get better? You could be like my wife and do a couple hours of yoga a day, but at least for most men, the odds for that are slim to none. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm going to give away one of these back shields. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below. And a winner will be chosen randomly by computer to get one of these nice back shields to fix their back while they drive. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.